Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am stoked about the project that I am going to be making right now. One, because Cody's actually helping me with it, which is so sweet. And two, because it is actually a gift going to Cody's nephew, whose first birthday is going to be celebrated here in February. I'm excited. I've never really made something for a specific like gift or event or something, you know. Normally like it's something I've already done and someone enjoyed it, so I made another one. But I'm excited. I really hope that my sister-in-law and brother-in-law enjoy it, and then the little guy eventually enjoys it once he understands as he gets older. Because I don't really know much about kids, but I know if I was a kid, I would like a little tent, so hopefully he likes it. All right guys, we're gonna jump on into the video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos with me. Hit the little notification bell. My Instagram, that's where I'm more active too, just for like short DIYs or tips and tricks and just daily hanging out with me and plant stuff, because there's a lot of plant stuff over there too. But that's itscolleeng_DIYs over on Instagram. And let's roll into the video. Other side crack, like pulled off, you'll see.
Oh, the back side of the wood crack?
Yeah. That is the end of the project, guys. I definitely like how it turned out. A few, I guess, hiccups along the way that I would point out if you are going to attempt it. One, definitely drill your holes over something or tape them, because the first one I did was horrible, and as you saw in the video, it cracked. Second tip would probably be make sure your dowels are super straight. We had a limited amount of dowel selection at our local big box store. And then last would be, oh my gosh, if you have someone who knows how to sew or has a sewing machine, it will make your life significantly easier. I did not have the sewing machine, and the no-sew adhesive tape did not work. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you loved the video. We will be going in a few days down to Florida to surprise the little man with the tent, and his parents as well. So again, hopefully it doesn't take up too much room. I know with kids and toys, there's always a plethora. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below your favorite part of the video, or if you plan on making your own DIY tent for your kids, for their playroom. And I can't wait to give this off and just see what people think. I'm more excited about like just seeing the adults, I guess, and their thoughts on it. Have fun with it. I think it was a very, very cute, fun project. A lot of time and effort because of the sewing aspect, but you know, it's fun and it looks great now, so yeah.